Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Hi, I'm Carolyn.
And I'm Cait.
And we've been friends for 10 years.
We backpacked through Australia for most of last year.
And then we did the South Pacific.
Separately.
But today, we're gonna show you around our hometown of Vancouver. If you're sporty and want to catch a game,
Be sure to check out the Whitecaps at BC Place.
or the Canucks at Rogers Arena. Granville Island is a great place to take in the local culture. There are boutiques, markets, galleries, and even theaters so you can catch a show.
If theater isn't your thing, there's always a kids market to embrace the child inside of you.
Vancouver is a city that loves to get active, and our city is full of bike paths and walking trails.
We're in Falls Creek right now. If you wanted, you could pretty much take the seawall from here all the way to the North Shore.
Capilano Suspension Bridge is a popular tourist destination, but it costs about 40 or 50 bucks to get across. Locals know that you can go to the Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge for free!